Okay, everyone, so we're back. So we've got the surface cleaned and we taped off stuff pretty good. There's almost no wind today, so I'm thinking it's gonna be a pretty good day to paint. Sunny. I'm just gonna you can see like some pitting here and here. I don't know how big of an issue that's gonna be. I guess we'll find out together. So I'm gonna put a couple coats of paint on here. I've got this Rust-Oleum automotive primer. Shake it. Let's see. Yeah. Painting conditions. Let's see. Drying. Okay. This one here is the one. It says shake hand vigorously when old men begin to rattle. Fail to rattle. Blah blah blah. Let's see. The distance between 10 to 16 inches from surface and spray back and forth motion slightly overlapping each stroke. Keep the can the same distance from the surface. Keep the can in motion while spraying. Apply 2 or more light coats a few minutes apart. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Never really done any rattle can before, so it should be interesting. Okay, so I took the liberty of taping some stuff off there. And so let's go ahead and shake the can vigorously for a minute. Probably should have done this before I started recording. That's okay, you guys don't mind. Okay, that felt like about a minute. Let's try and get this lid off here. It's the hard part. Let's see. Squeeze and pull. Okay, squeeze and pull. Okay, that worked really good. Okay. There we go. Okay, so pretty good coverage there. I noticed I painted a little bit on the car there. Probably should have taped a little bit more. Got some on the window. That's okay. We're gonna let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes, like I said, and apply another coat, and we'll be back. See, do keep shaking the can when you're spraying, and yeah, I guess try and keep that distance. I try not to focus in one spot. It probably takes a little bit of practice, but anyway, I don't know if I had any more pointers than that. Trying to learn as we go here, right? Okay, we'll be back after it's dried a little bit.